Dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to explain question answers of class 10 Hindi poem Matrabhumi. The explanation of this poem I have already uploaded in my channel. So without wasting much time, let us see the one line answers. एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. So here the first question is कवि किसे प्रणाम कर रहे हैं? To whom is the poet saluting? Answer is कवि मातृभूमि को प्रणाम कर रहे हैं. The poet is saluting to our motherland. Second question भारत माँ के हाथों में क्या है? What is in the hands of motherland? आंसर इज भारत माँ के एक हाथ में न्याय पताका और दूसरे हाथ में ज्ञान दीप है. It means motherland is having flag of justice in one hand and light of knowledge in another hand. Now the third question, आज माँ के साथ कौन है? Today, who is with motherland? So answer is आज माँ के साथ कोठी कोठी लोग है. Today, people in crores are with motherland. So next question, सभी और क्या गूंज उठा है? What is being heard everywhere? Answer is सभी और जय हिंद का नारा गूंज उठा है. The slogan of Jai Hind is being heard everywhere. Now the fifth question is भारत के खेत कैसे है? How is the land of India? The answer is भारत के खेत हरे भरे और सुहाने हैं. The land of India is beautiful with full of greenery. I hope all these 5 questions and answers I have explained properly. Now the sixth is भारत भूमि के अंदर क्या क्या भरा हुआ है? भारत भूमि के अंदर खनिजों का व्यापक धन भरा हुआ है. Now it means what are the beauties hidden in our motherland? So our motherland is gifted with natural wealth like minerals, mining, etc., which add to the beauty of our motherland. Now the seventh question, सुख संपत्ति धन धाम को माँ कैसे बांट रही है? Means how does motherland distributes its peace, wealth and money? तो answer will be सुख संपत्ति धन धाम को माँ खुले हाथों से बांट रही है. Our motherland is distributing its peace, wealth and money with its free hand. Now the eighth question, जग के रूप को बदलने के लिए कवि किससे निवेदन करते हैं? It means to whom is the poet requesting to change the face of the world? So answer will be जग के रूप को बदलने के लिए कवि भारत के सभी लोगों से निवेदन करते हैं. It means the poet is requesting to each and every people of India to change the face of the world. Now the last question of this main is जय हिंद का नाद कहाँ कहाँ पर गूंजना चाहिए? Where does the slogan जय हिंद has to be heard? So the answer will be जय हिंद का नाद सभी नगरों और गांवों में गूंजना चाहिए. The slogan Jai Hind has to be heard in each and every cities and villages. So here all the 9 questions of one line answers I have given you. I hope you understood. Now let us move on to the next main, which is दो तीन वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए, means answer in 2 to 3 sentences. Now let us see the first one. भारत माँ के प्रकृति सौंदर्य का वर्णन कीजिए. It means you have to describe the beauty of motherland. So now let us see the answer. भारत माँ के प्रकृति सौंदर्य का वर्णन कवि ने इतने सुंदर तरीके से की है. वे कहते हैं यहाँ के खेत कितने हरे भरे हैं, फूल फलों से भरे हुए वन मन को शांति देते हैं। अपनी धरती तो खनिजों से भरी हुई है। यहाँ सुख संपत्ति और धन-धाम की भी कोई कमी नहीं है। इसलिए कवि अपनी मातृभूमि को शत-शत बार प्रणाम करते हैं। Now, what does it mean? It means that here the poet Sri Bhagwati Charan Verma has so beautifully described our motherland by speaking the greenery that is spread over everywhere, fruits and flowers decorating the forest, which gives peace and tranquility. It adds on to the beauty of our nature. Our motherland is blessed with natural wealth like minerals, mining, etc. There is no shortage of wealth, peace, and happiness that our motherland provides us. So only the poet salutes the motherland 100 times. I hope you all understood this answer. Now, the second question is मातृभूमि का स्वरूप कैसे सुशोभित है? It means how is our motherland organized so smoothly? So the answer will be मातृभूमि अपने एक हाथ में न्याय का झंडा और दूसरे हाथ में ज्ञान की दीप लेकर सभी को सही रास्ते पर चलने को कह रही है। धरती माँ ने कई महान लोगों को जन्म दिया है और अपने गोद में पले बच्चों से भेदभाव की भावना को हटाकर मिलजुल कर रहने की प्रेरणा दे रही है। Now this answer means motherland by taking the flag of justice in one hand and light of knowledge in another is saying to all of us to walk in the right path. Our motherland has given birth to tremendous people and is teaching to its children not to have wrong feeling regarding religion or caste, but to have unity among ourselves. Okay, so in this main, only two questions are there, and both the answers I have given now. Now, for remaining mains, you will have to wait for the next video because I'm going to upload the remaining main in the part 2 of this video. If you like my video, do hit the like button, and if you want more such videos, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.